Hello everyone. Let us learn some basic probability. We will see independent versus dependent events in this video. Let's first understand what we mean by events. An event is simply an outcome, or a collection of outcomes, from a probability experiment. For example, getting a 6 when rolling a die is an event. Similarly, getting an ace when drawing a card is also an event. Now let us discuss independent events. Independent events are those events where the outcome of one event does not affect the outcome of another. So one event doesn't change the probability of the other. The formula for calculating the probability of two independent events A and B occurring is probability of A and B equals probability of A times probability of B. Let us consider a lottery numbers example. In a lottery, each draw is completely independent of the previous draws. For example, if number 7 wins in the first draw, the probability of number 7 being drawn in the second draw is still 1 by 49. The previous result has zero impact on the next draw. Now let us learn about dependent events. Dependent events are those where the outcome of one event does affect the outcome of another. So the first event changes the probability of the second event. The formula to express this dependency is written as probability of B given A. Let us understand dependent events with a card drawing example. Consider drawing two aces from a standard deck of cards without replacement. The probability of drawing the first ace, denoted as A1, is 4 by 52. After drawing one ace, there are only 3 aces left and 51 total cards. So, the probability of drawing a second ace given that the first card drawn was an ace, is 3 by 51. Hence, the probability of both events happening, which is drawing two aces, is 4 by 52 times 3 by 51. Conditional probability is the probability of event B occurring, given that event A has already occurred. This is the foundation of dependent events. The formula for conditional probability is probability of B given A equals probability of A, and B divided by probability of A. So let us summarize the key takeaways. For independent events, outcomes don't affect each other, and the probability of A and B is simply the product of their individual probabilities. But for dependent events, the first outcome changes the second and probability of B given A matters. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.